Welcome to the entrepreneurial landscape of California, a realm teeming with innovation and opportunities. As you embark on setting up your business, understanding the regulatory framework is critical. A key milestone in this journey is securing your business license, which validates your venture and unlocks access to valuable resources. Our guide will provide a comprehensive overview, shedding light on the significance and application process for obtaining this license, setting the stage for your business's legal and prosperous commencement in the Golden State. Diving deeper, securing a business license in California is akin to finding the right key for a lock, considering the variety of licenses tailored to different business types and locations. Identifying the correct license ensures your compliance and solidifies your operational foundation. The process involves compiling essential documents such as your legal structure and tax identification numbers, along with understanding the associated fees to ensure financial preparedness. Upon meticulous preparation, you'll submit your application, marking a significant step in your entrepreneurial journey. This segment not only navigates you through these steps, but empowers you as an entrepreneur, setting a groundwork that welcomes opportunities for your venture in California. The path to obtaining a business license brings up common queries among entrepreneurs. First and foremost, operating without a license is not advisable, as it ensures compliance with local laws. If faced with application denial, it's usually for specific reasons that, once addressed, allow for reapplication. The process duration varies, hence planning for potential delays is wise. This segment aimed to clarify these steps, reinforcing the importance of diligence and adherence to regulation. Your dedication to navigating these essentials paves the way for successful and innovative business endeavors in California.